Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Subject Mathematics, Board, State Board. Today I am going to discuss converse of angle bisector theorem. If a straight line through one vertex of a triangle divides the opposite side internally in the ratio of the other two sides, then the line bisects the angle internally at the vertex. Simply I am going to transfer the things in the notation, right? Given AB by AC equal to BD by DC, you want to prove angle AD bisects angle A, that's it, right? See, first I am going to draw the triangle. A, B, C, A, D, angle 1, angle 2. You have to extend BA, it will meet at E. It will meet at E, join CE, right? Proof. Given ABC is a triangle, AD divides BC in the ratio containing an angle A meet BC at D, right? Next, to prove angle BAD equal to angle CAD, that is angle 1 equal to angle 2. You want to prove this, right? Next, what it is, the statement what it says, I said AB divided by AC equal to BD divided by DC. This is number 1. Construction. Join AE and CE, right? Construction, join AE and CE. One more thing, CE parallel to AD. CE parallel to AD. Like that you are constructing and you are joining the points. Let angle BAD equal to angle 1, angle CAD equal to angle 2. One more thing you should include here, angle A bisects by AD, right? That I written in the notation that we are going to prove, right? Angle BAD equal to angle 1, angle CAD equal to angle 2. Now you see AD parallel to CE, AD parallel to CE, BE act as a transversal. That means angle 1 equal to angle 1, right? Which angle are equal? Why it is equal? Corresponding angles, right? Angle BAD equal to angle CEA. CEA equal to angle 1. since AD parallel to CE, BE act as a transversal. Then corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Now you pass on to the next. This angle equal to this. How it is equal? See here again, AD parallel to CE, AC act as a transversal, alternate interior angles are equal, right? Angle CAD equal to angle ACE. CAD equal to ACE. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Here also what? Since AD parallel to CE, AC is a transversal. Which is equal to angle 2. Next, we are going to consider a triangle CBE. In triangle CBE, AD parallel to CE. AD parallel to CE. When one line is parallel to the other side, immediately what theorem it should come to your mind, children? Yeah, Thales theorem. What it says? If a line is parallel, a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, it intersects the other two sides in distinct point, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So, you are going to write BA divided by AE equal to BD divided by DC, right? BA divided by AE equal to BD divided by DC. This is equation number 1. Here you write by Thales theorem. By Thales theorem. Now you see already we have equation number 1. This is your equation number 2. Compare 1 and 2. The left hand sides, see here one more thing, AE is there, right? AE, what you had here, BA divided by AE, then BD divided by DC. You are going to equate from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, what is your conclusion, children? The right hand sides are equal, so automatically the left become equal. AB divided by AC equal to AB divided by AE. Cancel. Then what is your conclusion here? AC equal to AE. See, AC equal to AE you said. If it is equal, what type of triangle you arrived? If two sides are equal, that it becomes an isosceles triangle, which implies triangle ACE is an isosceles. Okay, you said that it is isosceles. Then these two angles are what? That angles also equal. How it is equal? Angles opposite to equal side of a triangle are equal. That you have learnt already, right? Angles opposite to equal side of a triangle triangle are equal. Now what it says, AC equal to AE means angles opposite to equal side of a triangle are equal. That means ACE equal to AEC. Angle AEC equal to angle what? AEC equal to angle ACE. ACE. What is AEC? AEC is nothing but angle 1. Angle ACE is nothing but angle 2. But what is our assumption? Angle 1 and 2. Angle 1 is nothing but angle BAD. Angle 2 is nothing but angle CAD. It's our assumption, right? So, since angle BAD equal to angle 1, angle CAD equal to angle 2. Hence, proved. Got it, children? That means angle A bisects by AD. That we proved. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Got it, children? To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates.